Hello everyone. Join me on a walk around Prescott, Arizona. Today's walk will be at downtown Prescott, Arizona. This city is located in Yavapai County, Arizona, which is about 2 hours north of downtown Phoenix. The area that we are currently in is called Whiskey Row. This location has many historic buildings, including the Palace, Arizona's oldest restaurant and bar. Many other buildings have been converted to wonderful art galleries, boutiques, bookstores, and restaurants. Originally, this was a makeshift wooden town. It burned to the ground several times in the first decade of the 20th century, which finally resulted in the town being rebuilt in brick. Prescott has a rich history as a frontier gold and silver mining town. It was a stereotypical Wild West town during the middle of the 19th century. Back in the day, some famous residents lived here. Both Virgil Earp, brother of Wyatt Earp, and Doc Holliday lived in Prescott before their now infamous gunfight at the OK Corral. Virgil lived in Prescott starting in 1878 as a constable watchman. Doc Holliday was there for a while in the summer of 1880, and he even appears in the 1880 census record. Prescott is host to the self-proclaimed world's oldest rodeo, running continuously since 1888. The rodeo, one of the most famous in the United States, draws about 35,000 tourists a year. I hope that you enjoyed this short tour around historic Whiskey Row at downtown Prescott, Arizona.